estate. And guess what? Did somebody ask the question if you can expand on these units? Hold on, look on this for 10 seconds and then we'll come back. Alright guys, so there you see it, there you have it. Question answered. So we're going to give you some more drone shots. In this video, there's no information whether units are available for sale and if the project soon complete. I don't have that for you today. But what I have is a drone shot of where the development is presently. But guys, we're setting a new goal and we would like to hit 10,000 subscribers before December 2024. Currently we are at this and we need to get to 10. So begging you guys to share out the videos, like the videos. A matter of fact, on this video I'm begging you 1,000 likes on the video, please, because the video got nice. Alright, share out the videos. Alright, subscribe to the channel. A lot of persons are watching, not subscribing. I'm begging you please to subscribe, but I'm not going to keep up the time any longer. Portrait Estate over there, so give it a drone shot, then me catch you back after that. So come, let me give you this drone shot on what's happening. why you not subscribe yet? A matter of fact, why you not like the video? 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Back to the shot. Alright guys, so there you have it. Another beautiful video of this beautiful development. Remember that if you need information, check out the developers. We try to link all their information in the description of our videos. So please visit down below for all the information. For those who need updates on Phoenix Park, on Oak Estate, Chester Creek, Sandown Palm, Elsha View, guys, they are all on the channel. Don't miss out. Just remember to like, share, subscribe, leave your comments. All right, take care.